Guys, let's start with another problem which is known as capitalize the title. So we are given a string which contains many particular strings. So it is like a sentence, and we have to capitalize each and every word which contains more than two letters in it. Its first letter we have to capitalize, okay, and return as a string. So for example, the title string is capitalize the title. Here you can see the unevenness in each word, that upper and lowercase letters are present unevenly, but in the output we are getting capitalize the title string in a very formal manner of the string, correct? So each character whose length is greater than 2, its first character is being capitalized. Got it? So what could be our approach? Simple. First we take out the split each string into the array of strings. Okay. Then we'll check the length of each string, whether it is greater than 2 or not. If it is greater than 2, then we'll capitalize the first character of the string. Others we'll convert it into lowercase. And if it is less than 2, then we'll, like here in this off, then we'll convert each characters of that word or string into lowercase and append into our answer string. So first of all, if we use string and we are again and again changing it, it will increase our space complexity. Hence we can use StringBuilder here. Okay, so let's try to implement our approach. So let's take a array of a string where we will use split function to just split it. Apart from that, let's in the first hand only convert our whole string title into lowercase. It would be much easier for us to build our logic. Okay, so we use to lowercase. Now we can take a string builder to store our answer in it. Now let's use a for loop to traverse through each string present in the string array air and check whether each string contains first capital letter or not, if its size is greater than 2. So first condition, we have to check the size of each string in the array air. So if air of I, okay, so if air of I dot length is greater than equals to 2, sorry, less than equals to 2, then so we'll directly append it, because we have converted each character into lowercase of the title. So sb dot append arrow I else sb dot append c. So here c is equals to character dot to uppercase the first character of this string, that is, yeah, here we can take store sb in string s as air of I s dot char at 0. Okay, and sb dot append s, that first character c, and using a for loop j starting from 1, as we are skipping the first character, that is at the 0th index, and storing other characters in the lower case only. So s dot till s dot length and j plus plus, and we append each character into it. So s dot caret j. Okay, at last we can append spaces in between each characters. Okay, and then we return sb dot to string dot trim, because as you know, after each word we are appending a space, so with last word also we'll append a space, so that's why I'm using trim. So let's try to run it. Okay, small mistakes. Yeah, it is running absolutely fine. So before submitting it, let's try to understand what we are doing. First of all, we have converted our each character in the title to lowercase, because at most all characters in the which are present in the title string are converted to lowercase only. There is only one condition, that if the length of word is greater than 2, then we are converting the first letter to uppercase, otherwise each and every letter remains into lowercase. Okay, so we are splitting our string title into the set of strings, that is using the string array air. We are using StringBuilder to store our capitalized title string in it. So using the for loop for each string in the air array, we are checking first whether the length of each string is greater than 2 or not. If it is not greater than 2, then we are directly appending it into the string builder, as we have already converted each character into lowercase, so we can directly append it into the string builder. Otherwise, we are, so as I have stored into string s air of I, so I can append string s directly here. Else, we are putting our logic that the first character that is at 0th place should be in uppercase and appended into the string builder SB. Otherwise, other characters should be appended um, in the order. At last, I am appending space in between each string so that it looks like the title string. And at last, I am returning it into the form of a string and trimming the edge spaces in between the SP string builder. Okay, let's try to run it again. So you can see each and every condition, capitalize the title, see the unevenness, lowercase and uppercase are mixture. We are making into the formal sentence type. Okay, here also the same, first letter of each word. See, it is looking so formal in these sentences. Here also. Okay, let's try to submit it. Yeah, it is working absolutely fine. So what could be the time and space complexity? So the time complexity is big O of n, because for one time we are traversing through whole string title, so it is big O of n. Apart from that, we are also converting the string title into the set of string air and using a string builder. So these all things will also take big O of n times. So big O of n plus big O of n multiple times, it would be big O of n only, the time complexity. And if we talk about the space complexity as well, each time we are storing it into a string builder. Okay, string builder, it would be constant. But here we are splitting it into string set of strings, so it will take big O of n. So hence time complexity and space complexity both are big O of n. Got it? That's it. Signing off. Please subscribe and like my videos and comment what should I improve in my videos. Bye bye.